Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Mama Bear's Homestead and More. On today's episode, what in the world are we getting into? Well, we are doing a field tile repair job. And yesterday I got over here and exposed an outlet. And I guess I need to walk down there and show it to you a little better. But if you look at that white pipe, you can clearly see that it is running uphill. Well, guess what? Water don't drain like that. I got into the field tile yesterday. I exposed it. You can see the end of that PVC pipe there. And I'm still not sure that that looks like I'm going uphill there yet. So I need to dig this bank back a lot more and see what I got. But my plan for action here is to dig this back until I get into good pipe. See how that's already undermined itself. And then I might dig this out where I have that pipe loose. And then I'll just add a piece, put another piece of PVC pipe in it, and maybe get this outlet further on down there. But yeah, we got this to work on. And then we got some field tile holes. The old clay tile. I think we got 5 of them holes to fix. And, well, right here's one. I'll show you guys. This is my plan here. But when they put in the new tile, they just plowed through the old Clayburg tile and broke it and busted it. Well, this will be easy to fix here, guys. But see that old Clayburg tile right there? I just dig this bank. I probably do most of this with a shovel. Make sure we ain't got no snakes running around. And this ground here, guys, is some new ground that Mama Bear and I picked up at the farm. But yeah, we can cap that off real quick. But that's my plan, is just dig this clay tile up and just get caps on it. Just cap it off so it quits eroding. But yeah, I'll bring you guys back real quick. Alright guys, you can see as I've exposed the edge of this old clay tile. Then we'll get our new boot put on. I've just made some ants mad. I mean, it's still got a little water in it, but I'm gonna plug it because that's where all of our we're losing all the dirt. So we're just gonna plug this off. It's been plowed through. Let me go up and get my, I forget what the lady called them, but my fancy fitting for it. All right, guys, we got it on there. All right, it's stuck on there. That's tight, that's tight. So we got that Clayburg tile plugged off at the outlet. But I'm definitely gonna want to get me a load of rip to put back on this bank, you know, because this all used to look like that, and with this leaking, running dirt out of it for so long, that it's not good. But I don't know how long that thing's gonna run for. But yeah, I need to get over there with my probe and see exactly where that thing's running, direction it's going. But yeah, that was a success story. We got that. Them fittings are kind of pricey, but I think they're going to work great for what I'm trying to do here. So we'll get that. I'll have to call and order some more of those. I got everything they had at the pipe store, and she said she could have it as many as I needed for in the morning. So we'll call and get some ordered, but I think it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so we'll get them ordered. But I'll bring you guys back here in just a second. Well, guys, I got that. You guys see me plug that one end off, and I was getting ready to go get the excavator and realized I forgot the keys to the excavator. So Mama Bear's bringing them to me, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my boots changed, and I called and ordered more parts. That's gonna work real nice. So all right, I'll talk to you, or I don't know, guys. I'll bring you back here in a little bit. I'll talk at you. All right, guys, we got our second Fernco and our clean out cap. We're gonna put it together. Just like that. That slides right over the clay tile, and I got my feet wet, but it worked fine. So all right, let's go and get this put in. We're here at the old service them up truck, so we need to go to our hole and get this side put on. Alright guys, we're gonna, there's an old piece of tile in here that there it is. I was standing on it earlier. This should not take us very long. It should be a quick and easy job. Got the shovel, because I have to have that help get me back out. Sweet. Sweet. And I don't know where I found these big old long nut drivers bits, but man, are they awesome. Yep, that one's on, installed. Yeah, that worked. Yeah, I bring the shovel in case I have to use it. There we go. To get myself back out of the hole. And guess what, guys? We made it. Put that back in there. I'll smash it with the bucket, break it up, but yeah, get my impact put back in the truck, or on the excavator. All right, guys. I've exposed the two Clayburg tiles there, and I don't know what we got going on. So, but we got a wash coming like right to the left of the bucket there. I'm gonna dig down. I took my probe earlier and it felt like I hit something, but I want to see what's under there. So we're gonna take a couple of scoops out and see what we find. Alright, guys. I quit when I started seeing the orange Clayburg stuff. Let's see what we find. I think we got clay tile underneath us. I forgot to bring my good shovel from my house. I had to borrow this one from Dad. And it's seen better days. ground's plenty wet. Wow. Why was there clay and tile right here? That's what I don't understand. see down there where that clay tile is, and then you can see where that plastic tile is. We got into the plastic tile. I haven't located one end of the plastic tile, but I'm gonna see where my probe is. I'm gonna dig that back and hopefully get into better tile, because I pulled it out. So, but yeah, the plastic or the Kleberg tile, that's gonna be an easy fix. I just gotta figure out where this tile's going. I don't know. I can't make no sense of this. I'm gonna have to get my maps out and look at it. But yeah, we're getting it, so come along. All right, remember guys, that probe is on under where the tile's at. Got our top tool taken off. Transfer pumps. That probably worked pretty good doing this. But, yeah, let's jump down in there and expose this tile and see what we got. Hey guys, we're down in this hole again, and I think that clay tile is just right here. I think. Yeah, I don't know, but we'll get you guys set up here, and I'll dig a little bit with a shovel. All right. Oh man. Been a good day. Yep. It's warm and not raining. Something big with Jake brakes is coming by. Log truck. Says Adams on the door. Not sure who that is. We got a log truck and a dump truck meeting each other. That's got dirt on it. Log truck sounds good. Healthy. I'm all found it, folks. I don't know. No, I ain't believing that. I ain't believing it. I ain't seen no clay tile that's shallow yet, but it is right in line with that hole or that wash. So that tells me what we need to do, guys, is move over a little bit, not dig. See what we got here. We got, that's the side of a clay piece. There's some there. There's some there. There's some more. But we gotta find where that is. It's plumb full of dirt. I don't know. If that's plumb full of dirt, it's plugged up, so that means water ain't running through it. So I wonder if we don't need to find it over here and head that direction. But I don't know. Where's our probe? Right there. Alright, we got it probed. Let's scoot over a little bit and dig down a little bit and we'll find out where it's at. Oh! These are my favorite kind of holes because there ain't no water in them. Wow, guys, look at this hole. It's filled up a lot with water. I'd say tomorrow we'll definitely have to get us one of them Milwaukee pumps. And I bet this hole's got a lot of water in it too. Oh yeah. Yep. It does. But I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but over here to the right you can see where I tore that out. But you can also see where I've exposed that clay tile, this clay tile. So we'll plug them off and then do a repair on this tile here. That won't be that bad. And then let's go over here and check this out. I never could find nothing over here. I think it might just be a wash. A washout. Yeah, see, there's no water or nothing in here, so I think this is just a washout. So we'll start filling this up tomorrow with dirt. We'll go ahead and get our shovel and our probe. And then I think we're gonna go up the road here and get Goose. I left him sitting at a friend of mine's house. We'll go ahead and get him. Thinking, you know, see this little wash right here. Thinking if I run Goose up and down this to clean all this dead grass. I got the box blade on him. Clean all that dead grass and stuff up. Scratch that out of there. Maybe that will, I don't know, make it easier to see how much dirt we need. But yeah, we're getting it. Hopefully we can get back over here Thursday and get this job wrapped up. The tile portion of it. As you guys can tell, I've been clearing them, trying to get all the trees off the road there. It's that big cedar tree I want a lot of limbs off of. And then I'm gonna go on up. I'm gonna go pluck them cedar trees on this side of the road. But yeah, it's coming together pretty well. But I'm gonna go ahead and leave this video right here. And as always, my friends, keep on keeping on, because we love every single one of you, and so does Jesus.